But for now, I'm going to sign out and leave it at that. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to BD Performance. My name's Darren Evans, and this is a little video that you guys asked for last time when we told you 10 things we hate about the Mark II Focus. This is 10 best modifications, I suppose you could call it. I think the best modifications that you can do is actually to purchase a whole 300 package. That's the honest truth of it. It's the way that you're going to save the most amount of money. But we're going to kick off today by giving you each of the individual parts that you would need or sometimes not need for a 300 plus package. Now we're going to start off with probably the best offering, which is from AIRTEC Motorsport. You can buy this from our web store, store.bdperformance.co.uk, and it's the downpipe decat combo. It's got the locking nuts or the locking downpipe bolts in it. It's got the downpipe gasket itself and the other gaskets for each end. We don't use them, we use a heat paste instead. Just find it is less faces to seal really ultimately, and it just provides a better seal between the two. These fit really well, and at 269 quid they're absolutely amazing value for money in comparison to if you bought these from, you know, one of the other manufacturers. That's for certain. You couldn't get it for that sort of price. So we'll move swiftly on to the Group A kit. Now this starts from about 150, 160 pounds. That's a Group A kit on its own. It's got the Ram Air ECU cover with this version, along with a BDP filter and BDP branded hoses. Now there is an option that you can get with a genuine RS ECU bracket and cover, but that takes the price to more like 180, and for the extra costs I'm not sure it's exactly worth it. AIRTEC have just brought out now a new plastic called GRP cover that they've done of their own, AIRTEC branded. We will be offering this combo set as a deal with that in the future. Now combined with that, you could actually go with a Turbo Smart full recirc valve. Now that would provide you with what we would call the ultimate chatter kit. Now you can get this and the induction kit as an ultimate chatter package online. If you have a look again at store.bdperformance.co.uk, you'll find that online. Most recently, many of the YouTubers that have got ST225s have been talking about this product as well, which is the turbo to crossover pipe. Now they've been installing this to get more chatter combined with sometimes a hard crossover pipe, just to get even more chatter again. Now these actually sold out and we've got them back into stock now. Very few of them, but we are back on stock and back online with them. The other thing that you've got for the 300 package is a intercooler. Now with our 300 package online, I think we quote a stage 1 intercooler, but you can upgrade to the stage 2 for an extra 50 or 60 pounds. This is the stage 2 intercooler. I'm not going to unwrap it purely because it's from stock. It's black, it's got the scoop around it, which makes it the stage 2. In combination with that, what we could also recommend, another common failure part, I think we discussed it in the last video, with it splitting in between the concertinas and also round the top where the Jubilee clamp goes, is the silicone hose that goes from the intercooler to the throttle body. It's got the map boss in there, incorporated into the silicone, so it's nice, straight, easy swap. Now the last thing on the list, pretty much parts wise, is obviously a catback. Now I haven't put 20 catback options behind me because what's the point? You can make your own decision. Again, have a look on the website. We've got options from Mongoose, Miltech, Cobra, Scorpion. They start from about £600. Now our packages online have options for the block mod and the RS clutch, or just with the block mod for the stage 2. Now they start from about £2,400 and range upwards to about £3,200. That represents a huge saving when you consider that you might be paying £350 to £420 for the stage 2 file that you need software wise to go with it. We're a Collins and a Revo dealer, obviously. Firstly and foremostly, we do offer software from other suppliers as well. Just check out our website and you'll see what we can do for you. What we would recommend is, if you're going to buy these individually, to enjoy the fun of building your car, and we understand that many people do buy things bit by bit for affordability wise, not just that, but also the experience of building their own car, and we completely appreciate that. But if you are going to do it, please make sure that you do it in the most appropriate way. And please consider that these cars are 10 years old now, and it's probably best to start with a block mod to avoid any unexpected costs, really. You're looking at 649 for a block mod, or 748 with a water pump, and that's all completed in-house. Or you can get the LUK RS clutch combo with the block mod for just £1,200. That represents, again, a really good saving from buying the parts individually. That being said, if you've enjoyed this video, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. Click the all on the bell icon to stay notified of all the content. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do us a favour by commenting down below anything else that you'd like to see. But for now, that's it from me. Check out the videos about what we hated about the Mark II Focus RS. Check out some of the competitions that we've got running, including the 2,500 subscriber one, Vags to Riches, and get involved with the competition and stand a chance of winning some cold hard cash. Thanks guys, see you again soon.